welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today I'm excited with the video that I'm coming to film. It's a tag that my beautiful friend on YouTube here tagged me on. I went to Barbados for my birthday and I had the privilege to meet this lady. She is beautiful both inside and out. She's become my sister for life. Shout out to my Bajan sisters out there. Yay! Anyway, her YouTube channel is Bajan Treasure. I'm going to leave her channel somewhere here on the screen, so please guys go subscribe to her. Even though the lockdown has been eased off, I just said, you know, I'm still going to do it for you. I filmed this makeup look. I'm going to upload this look straight after this one. If you guys want to know how I created this look, this tag was created by Life with Mike. 10 questions stuck inside tag. Right, so the first question is, are you having an anxiety or stress from being inside so much? I'm not having any anxiety or stress staying indoors at all, because I love being at home anyway, and the fact that I've got my family next to me, just enjoying each other's company, it's been very good for me. But at the same time, I will say that I do miss the things out there. I do miss meeting my friends. I do miss seeing my family who are not close to me. Just 20% anxiety, and the 20% is me not being able to go out there and do the outdoor things, the activities that we normally used to do. So the second question is, have you been able to find supplies you need at your local store? When it started, yes, I was finding it hard to find things. I mean, everybody knows about the toiletry, everybody knows about flour, toilet roll, eggs, and pasta. Those were the three main things that I could not find. And washing up liquid, it was so hard. But luckily, before the lockdown, I went to Costco and I did a bulk shopping, so that saved me a lot. Toilet roll, eggs, and pastas and everything they've all been stocked up. But the only thing that I still can't find is flour. So, but I'm sure flour will come back in stock soon. I'm hoping soon. I'm hoping you guys will stop baking and allow me to get some. Anybody hoarding flour, please let go of the flour so that I can get a little bit of flour as well for me to bake something. Please. Number 3, have you been ordering more things from online sources? Everybody's saying that since the quarantine and since the lockdown, they've been ordering quite a bit of stuff online. Mine has actually been the opposite. Before the lockdown, I was constantly ordering from online. Everything I did was online because I hate going inside shops. But since the lockdown, I have not ordered a lot of stuff, which is quite shocking. I go to Amazon, I pick up the things that I need, I put them in my basket, and they will be in my basket for the next 2-3 weeks. That's what's been happening. So no, I've actually become quite lazy ordering from online. Number 4, do you enjoy eating more meals at home or eating out? Occasionally I do enjoy going out there and eating outside, but I do enjoy eating from home. I feel like I know what's going in there. I feel like it's more healthier. I'm quite fussy when it comes to people cooking for me anyway, because I'm thinking, where their hands been? Have they been picking their nose? Have they been dipping stuff in there? Have they been spitting droplets, stuff in my food? So I do enjoy eating from home more than eating out. Number 5, are you cooking more from recipes or you eating more frozen meals? I found myself cooking more. The kids like frozen meals. They love frozen meals. Most of the time I cook from scratch because I do like healthy food. I do like cooking. I do like seeing what is going inside my meal. Sometimes being a bit lazy, and for a whole week we've been eating just frozen meals. I know it wasn't good for the waistline. The waistline was expanding. So number 6, after this is all over, would you stock up more items in case it happens again? I'm not going to do anything more or anything less. It will stay the same. I'm still going to be doing my 3-week bulk shopping that I always do, even before the quarantine, even before the lockdown. You have kids at home, you're gonna have to do bulk shopping. So I will carry on doing that even after the lockdown. Number 7, how has the crisis affected you and your family? It's affected us in so many different ways. Most of them have been positive. Prior to this crisis, we never used to get to spend a lot of time together. I like the fact that it's brought the family a lot closer, and we are spending so much quality time together. We are getting to know each other even more and even better. I find I'm very patient. I mean, so that's good. That's the positive. So that's the positive way it's affected us. And the negative way it's affected us is the fact that I haven't been able to go out there with them and do the outdoor activities that I used to do with them on the weekends. And also getting to meet my friends and my family out there. We haven't been able to do that. I mean, the freedom is not there anymore. So it's affected us in that way. and the fact that the kids were stuck indoors the whole time, I felt like they were getting a little bit dull. I had to work extra hard to entertain them, to make sure that they were good, to make sure that I was doing their homework with them, and I felt like I was lacking because my whole time was going on them. The 8th question is, do you go to the store to get your groceries, or do you use a pickup service or have them delivered to you? I have been going to the shop to do my own shopping because that's what I'm comfortable with. That's what I've been doing my whole life, so it hasn't changed. I've been going to the store myself, and that's how it's gonna stay. Basically, I want to see what I'm putting in my basket. This question is so funny. Number 9. He said, if you go to the store, are you concerned with people getting close to you? In the beginning, I was so concerned. Check this out. I remember there was a time that I went to the shop with my mom, and there was a lady coughing right next to us, coughing with no mask, with no gloves, and we were standing there. That time we didn't have any mask on. She was coughing right next to us, and we dived. I saw my mom diving the other way. She was in the middle of us, and I dived the other way to go to the next aisle. This lady found her way to that aisle that we ended up at, still coughing, and I was annoyed. Why have you not got your mask on, and why are you coughing right next to me? Do you not know what is going on? I understand that. I mean, people have to cough. If you're coughing just once and you stop it, that's okay. But this was like a continuous coughing. The answer is yes, I do get worried when I go out there to do my own shopping, and I make sure that I'm standing away from people if I can help it. If I can't help it too, hey. And I was making sure that I'm not coughing myself. Number 10 is, do people who live in your area take the crisis seriously, or do they act like it's business as usual? So in the beginning, when the whole thing happened, I don't think people understood the seriousness of the whole crisis, of the whole pandemic. So yeah, in the beginning, I felt like people were not taking it seriously, but getting to the middle, they started taking it seriously, and everybody was staying indoors. The only place you will see a lot of people were the supermarkets. Now that the lockdown is being eased off, it's back to business. Everybody is out there. I'm still in here a little bit nervous, thinking that, you know what, at least give it a week. The lockdown was eased not even a day, and people were out there. But I'm going to give myself at least a week or 2 weeks before we go out there. This is the end of my tag. I really enjoyed this tag. I wanted to tag somebody, but I think it's a little bit too late now. Since the lockdown is being eased, I'm not going to tag anybody. I'll leave it like that. But thank you very much to Bajan Treasure for tagging me. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and come again soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye.